Okay, so right now this should just be clay and water with maybe a bit of silt in there. The clay and the silt have settled down to the bottom, and now we just have the water. The water is almost clear, but it's good enough, and now I want to get rid of the water. So I'm going to do that with this hose. So you put it in here like so, and this is the gross part, is you have to kind of suck it, and now the water is empty. So you can see that I have it make sure the hose is submerged in the water the entire time. Let's clean it out. Clay creates dirty water because clay is tiny little particles, and it connects with the kind of like they're attracted to one another and they stick together. Clay will expand when it's in water. Make sure that your bucket is higher up than the hose. This is going to take a bit. Okay, now I'm going to tip the bucket. Can you hold this? Thank you. No, you gotta hold it so it doesn't splash outside of the bucket. There you go. There you go. Okay, can you see inside the bucket? The water layer is almost gone. There we go. So now what's left is clay with a bit of silt. That black stuff is silt, but it's mostly clay. What I would do is I would put this out in the sun, put it out on a board, put it out in the sun, and let it dry out. And what I'll get is so it goes from this liquid form, and when it dries out in the sun, it will shrink, and I'll get clay that's like this. This is what the clay will look like. And it's really hard to break. In fact, I can't even break it with my two hands. So this is what the clay looks like. It's very dense, it's very solid, and that is how you do the wet method. All I need to do is just hydrate this, and I'll have workable clay. And that's how you process clay when you don't want limestone or sand or anything in it. There's a little bit of silt at the bottom here. You can see it's kind of dark there. You can feel it on your fingers, but it's mostly clay. Super hard and solid. Okay, thanks.